Cha-cha, cha-cha, Anisha, cha-cha, cha-cha, cha-cha. Welcome to this video. Welcome to the Luo Online. If you have not yet subscribed, I request you to subscribe. Well, in this video, I'm going to take you to the location of the Joluo. Most of us, the Luo people, or even the non-Luo, don't know the precise location of most of the Luo tribes existing in the world. If I'm to ask you, in which districts are the Luo located, you will fail to answer. Then again, in which districts are the Shilluk in South Sudan located? The same thing. Which counties or regions are the Joluo of Kenya located? Ask yourself no more for that one. Because in this video, I'm taking you through the location of the Joluo of Kenya. The present day location of the Joluo or the Luo of Kenya and Tanzania lies in eastern Lake Victoria Basin, in the former Nyanza province in western Kenya and Mara region in northwestern Tanzania. So the Joluo are located in western Kenya. We are still picking on the Luo of Kenya. The Luo of Tanzania will be another week, but the videos will be here. That's why we say stay subscribed. Remember, this area falls in tropical latitude and straddle across the equator. This area also receives average rainfalls averages. The average altitude range between 3,700 to 6,000 altitude above sea level. So now, we get into the actual political location of the Joluo or the Luo of Kenya. Around the Lake Victoria basins, they are located in Bungoma County. You can also find the Luo in Kakamega County. Kakamega is now a town. We will update you about the development of other locations in other videos. That's why we insist, stay subscribed. Kisumu County. Kisumu is very popular for harboring the Joluo, and I think many people would love to visit Kisumu because of its popularity. There is also the Samia. Samia is also one of the urban centers. Then Busia. Busia is also one of the places where Joluo is located, which is in the border of Uganda and Kenya. But larger parts are in Kenya. We cannot forget about the availability of the Luo in Sia County. Sia County. It would be unwise for me to forget about the Homa Bay. The Luo are also located in the Homa Bay. We can find Luo also in Migori County. Then last but not least, the Joluo are also located in the Ramogi Hills. Ramogi is a very common word. Mogi. Mogi ye, ayila ye. Ayili kama yili mapera mugwanyo. That's a chanting in Acholi. So you can realize that the Luos are interconnected. We are just getting started. Follow the band by subscribing. You will be amazed by what we are doing. So now, these are the location of the Joluo people. You can see that map. A map we have designed for you. It is on a scale of 1 to 1,250. It's on a scale of 1 to 1,250,000. So that is the scale of the map. You can check it on your screen. And the reason as to why it is important for the Luo people to know the locations of other fellow Luo tribes is because in times of emergency, like maybe conflicts, like for example, South Sudan has been in serious conflict. The Luo people of South Sudan can run to the Joluo of Kenya or even to Uganda in case there is war in Kenya, in case there is war in South Sudan. That is just an example. Forget about the bad situations like war. What about peace? Maybe you're looking for a wife and you need something far. You can go as far as that. Maybe you want to explore, you want to travel and enjoy the abundant, rich Luo culture. You can also travel. So you need to know the map. You need to have the names. Even if you reach there, you can just ask, where is the Ramogi Hills? Surely people will tell you. From Busia, after entering, you go straight. Then also to other people who are not Luo, it's also important to you because you may want to become like a tourist in the Luo land. You have Masishon Falls in northern Uganda, which is located in Acholi land, which is a Luo land, locally known as the Para. You can visit Para. Even in Sia County and Homa Bay, there are nice geographical sites which you can visit around the Lake Victoria, where the Luo are located. You can enjoy fish landing sites and a lot of beautiful nature. So the importance are just enormous, and we cannot just exploit all in this video. Thank you. I will see you in the next one if you are subscribed. Bye.